Hey there, it's Andrew from Fagan Automotive in Janesville. Today we're sitting in a 2019 Silverado 1500 High Country, and it's packed to the brim with lots of features. So one of the ones we wanted to go over today was the trailering app. One of the main draws is it comes with tire pressure management system dongles that actually go into your tires of your trailer so that you can keep the all the pressure stored in memory. You can monitor and have all the alerts go through your truck, and it'll keep you abreast of any changes. Now we're going to head over to the screen here and go through some of the different features here. So we start off with the status screen. Right now there's no trailer connected, but you can go through a checklist. So if you have a conventional trailer and you just are a little leery of making sure everything is done properly, you can go through your checklist and just check it off. Next we can go to our trailer. So you can set a trailer profile. So we're going to call this one, well, let's see, we're weekenders, so let's see, call it a jet ski trailer. Alright, it's a conventional trailer, air hitch ball, and we're going to put it as a boat because it is a boat. And there's advanced setups for maintenance reminders and things like that. But then we can go into jet ski and we can put in how much, it shows how many miles we drive, what our average fuel economy is, electronic brakes, amber lights, and then deeper into the settings, trailer detection. It'll detect when you plug in your trailer, and it'll know which one it is. Maintenance alerts, that'll just tell you if there's maintenance required on the tires or anything like that for your trailer. Security, you can turn this on, and so it'll know if it gets disconnected, it'll let you know. And then the tow haul mode, it'll tell you to press your tow haul button.